MIG welding, also known as metal inert gas welding or gas metal arc welding, is a widely used process for joining metal pieces together. It's popular in industries like automotive, manufacturing, construction, and aerospace due to its versatility and ease of use. To set up for MIG welding, you'll need a MIG welding machine, a welding gun, shielding gas, and a ground clamp. The machine generates electrical current and feeds the welding wire, while the gun feeds the wire and contains the electrode and gas nozzle. The shielding gas, usually a combination of argon and carbon dioxide, protects the welding area from contaminants and oxidation. The ground clamp completes the electrical circuit by connecting to the workpiece. Before welding, it's important to clean the surfaces to be welded and select the appropriate welding wire and gas based on the material and application. Different materials may require specific combinations. During the welding process, the shielding gas flows through the nozzle at the tip of the welding gun. When the trigger is pressed, the machine generates an electric arc that heats the end of the welding wire, causing it to melt and form a weld puddle on the workpiece. The machine then feeds the wire continuously into the puddle at a controlled rate, determining the size and strength of the weld. The welder uses a consistent motion to guide the gun along the joint or seam, maintaining the correct distance for a quality weld. As the molten metal cools, it solidifies, creating a strong bond between the pieces being joined. The shielding gas continues to protect the weld until it cools completely. After welding, it's important to inspect the weld for any defects and perform additional steps like grinding or cleaning for the desired finish. MIG welding is valued for its speed, versatility, and ability to weld a wide range of materials. It's commonly used when high productivity and a strong, clean weld are required. So whether you're a welder or a manufacturer, MIG welding is a valuable skill to perfect. Keep practicing and perfecting your skills, and remember to always have a spark of humor in your work.